Right, so we're going to create a dot-to-dot shape that we can then fill
Together
in.
they form the heartbeat of our culture.
And it's completely scrubbable, except for the last part where it goes in. But you can scrub it and go back out and out, in and out. So it's pretty cool. So let's duplicate this side. I'm just going to delete these just for right now. And we're going to create a shape. Let's just center it. Okay, so we could even make mini stars if we wanted. Let's do that. So yeah, okay. Now we're gonna copy these all the way around, drawing our shape. Let's just delete that now. And let's just make sure it's good. Actually, one more. We're gonna yeah. Place this one right on top of the other one. Okay, so we have stars 2 to 12. So we're going to go into our JavaScript. I'm going to make this bigger. And let's start from start 2. And we're going to just grab all our data model IDs from these objects. Um, 10, 11, 12. All right, so it's going to be the first one, second one, third, fifth, the reason why I cut them is it kind of helps me keep track of where I'm at. These. Make sure the last one doesn't have a comma. Then we can change colors, but right now I'm just going to keep it red. We also can change how thick it is. And when it starts, I'm going to have it start 1/2 second off and takes it 3 seconds. Let's preview this. There you go. If you like this tutorial, like it. If you love it, subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.